So new this year at Upstream Learning, students will be able to have their own email account, and I'm going to show you how to set that up and how that works, and make a little video here for you to try to make it easier. So how you're going to sign on to your account is you're just going to go to Google, and just google.com is fine. Just put it in the cursor up here, and so you just put Google and just choose that. You probably know all this. And then if you want to get to your email, you go to the right hand side at the top, and you have these. First one says Gmail, the next one says Images, and then you have these 9 little boxes. You choose that. Then you'll see here, one of these will be your email, the big M here. I'm going to move this one up here. So this big M, it's really an envelope with a folded over, right? And that's your Gmail, and you would just choose that. We'll come back to that in a minute. How the passwords and such are set up, I'm going to show you here. So your email address is going to be your first initial plus your last name, and that's going to be at crsd.us. So here's an example, just in case you're not quite sure. So if you're George Washington and we're giving you just enrolled at Upstream Learning and you need an email account, we're going to take your first letter G, it's going to be lowercase, and then we're going to say Washington. And then it's going to be at crsd.us. And then everyone, for your password, it's going to be, put this here for you. Everybody's going to start with the same password, and then you're just going to make you change it when you sign on. But everybody's password is going to be capital CRSD 2019 question mark. Okay. Then when you sign on, you're going to have to change that. Just remember, so you put your user account name, first initial, last name, at CRSD, and then you put in the password CRSD 2019 question mark. Okay? So then if you want to sign in, let's go back. If I want to sign into my email, I'm going to sign out of this so I can show you how to do it. It's going to look a little bit different, but it's pretty relatively the same. Okay, so it's going to something like this. But initially, see, my account name and such is already here. But initially, it's going to ask you to put in your first initial, last name at crsd.us. You do that, then it's going to bring you to the password. You put that in, which is CRSD 2019 question mark, and then you hit next. And it will do this little envelope thing, and it will open it to your mail. And that's how you do it. Go back. That's how you do the email thing. If you have any other questions, let me know, and we'll help you out. And I hope this email thing helps everybody this coming year, make things a little bit easier for communication. And talk to you later.